We're making gluten-free Keto Fusilli pasta. Let's go! The Fusilli pasta shape was originally developed in southern Italy, and it doesn't only go with pasta sauce. You can have it in salad and soups. It's a really versatile pasta shape because you can have it hot or cold. And isn't it nice that we can now have a Keto Fusilli pasta? So in terms of dishes, the possibilities are endless. Hi, I'm Mel and welcome to my channel where we're doing a series on keto pasta. Do take a look around and have a look at our other recipes. And if you love what you see, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when we post a new recipe. I will add a link in the description box so you have easy access to the keto pasta playlist. Also in the description box are links to coconut flour that I found are low in carbs, as well as the Kitchenaid pasta press that I use. And you can get the cooking and storage instructions there as well. Without further ado, let's get into this Keto Fusilli pasta recipe now. To a bowl, add 60 grams of almond flour and 60 grams of coconut flour. And here are our two binding agents. We're using 1 teaspoon of gelatin and 2 teaspoons of xanthan gum, 1/4 teaspoon of salt for flavor, and we're just going to combine these dry ingredients. If you want your pasta to be a bit more yellow, you can add a pinch of turmeric powder. And lastly, crack in 2 eggs. Now we're going to mix this until it's fully combined. I've kneaded my dough until it's all come together, and I'm not sure if you can see, but there's still some white flecks in there from the coconut flour. And now I'm going to knead this on my bench top to try and minimize that, because to me that means it's not fully kneaded. I've kneaded the dough for about a minute and it's brought out the oils from the almond flour and has a gloss to it, but it is still not a very sticky dough and it should be quite firm. Now you're going to separate out your dough so you can feed through the machine. Add a couple of handfuls of dough to your machine and set your speed to 6, which is about semi-fast. Cut your fusilli about 2 inches in length. Lay your pasta as flat as possible on a lined baking sheet and bake for an hour on the lower setting for your oven. Well, I do hope you enjoyed this short tutorial on how to make Keto Fusilli pasta gluten-free, and hopefully for you it's zero net carbs as well. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.